just cleaning. This is across the road. Well, gotta get away from those pesky birds. Yep. Get away from those pesky birds. Directly across the street from us, and this is the area where Honey was yesterday, only closer to the river. This tree isn't too far from us. I've never seen them sit in this tree before, but it looks like a good tree for branches. Oh, after we get all cleaned up, maybe work on the benches again. Okay. We'll be back in a little bit. Let you looking around. Okay, I'll wait a minute. Oh, amazing. The big, what you see when the picture goes away is all trucks going past. They gonna get ready to fly, maybe? Greg? And Mom sounds like Mom calling sitting in the tree in the pasture by the pond here. No, it's quiet. Oh, okay. We'll be back.